Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. By the look of the title of this video, you already know I took a second attempt at coloring my hair at home, and it turned out really good. So if you want to see how that happened, then stay to the very end of this video. It's Sunday morning, 7 a.m. The sun is not even out yet. Well, it's coming out, but I need to really do this quickly and head to church. If you watched my previous video, you saw how trying to color my hair at home kind of backfired, and I'm here today to try and color it again. It's like I didn't learn, but here we are again, another attempt at it, and I'm going for a different color. In fact, I have trimmed my hair really short. I changed my mind. I thought I would buy the same color and add it, but after much thought and looking at it, I thought, you know what, we could do with some color change and a trim of the hair so that we see how it comes out. So I'm not gonna talk much, I'm just gonna get into it. Currently trimmed and short. Look at the patches of the color. This is how my hair looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy, right? So I'm just gonna do it real quick. That this time round this color works, because if it doesn't, I mean, what will happen? And we are ready. Our container is ready. And I got only one sachet because my hair is really short and this color is pretty strong. So one sachet hopefully will be enough to color my whole head. So we're going up and outline. We're going there. It's ready, and I'm now ready to start applying it real fast. Because like I said, I don't have much time here today. I still have some more here. I'm done applying it. It's actually quite a lot, especially now that my hair is short. I have applied it generously, and as you can see, it's well spread, unlike my first attempt. So I'm hoping the result will be pretty good. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, then I will wash it off and come show you guys the magic. Yeah, I'll see you on the other end. I am back, ladies and gentlemen. The hair has finally cooperated and I love how it looks. I really like it. It has turned out pretty nice. Pretty nice. And I really like it. I think we finally got it. After failed attempts, I can finally say that I actually nailed it. What do you think? What do you guys think? I love it, and I love the length. I can't wait for it to settle, maybe a week or so. It will look really full. I am hoping so, and just nice. So this is the final look, ladies and gentlemen, and I am ready to go to church now. I'm not sure whether to wear these earrings or this ones. I don't know. Let me see. Maybe you guys can see my dilemma, because I'm thinking where I do this, because these earrings are quite, loud and out there. Though they also just fill up this space, even though I'm gonna throw something on top, but they also have something going on here. So let me just wear this other one so that you see what I mean. So yeah, this looks like this. What do you think? Should I wear this one? They look like this. They're beaded earrings, which are kind of my favorite, and I know I'm gonna wear them a lot, especially with my short hair. So this is my first option of this other beaded ones. There we go. So should I go with these ones or the first ones? I don't know, because I know they are really elaborate and colorful and nice, but also I want my hair to stand out and be the only thing that people see today. So I don't know, I'm torn between these two, but I think because I'm also wearing a black dress, I'm gonna throw something on top. So probably that will determine if I was going like this without something on top, I would have gone this one. But now that I'm thinking of throwing a kimono on top, so probably this will do. Otherwise, I love my hair. Love it. Got it. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got a tip or two if you're planning to color your hair at home. I'm not gonna say it's gonna work the first time. It might work for you. I mean, for some people it works, but for me that was not the case. If you're planning to do it, go for it, try it. If it fails, I don't know what will happen to you. I mean, it's not like me, I went and trimmed my hair, but probably for you, you might wear a wig, I don't know, but go for it, whichever color you choose. For me, I like experimenting with colors, and it turned out good. So I will catch you guys on my next video. God giving us life and grace.